Hi, welcome to the Market Alert for Monday the 18th of June 2018. So on Friday we see the market take out the 132 level. We see the selling there, some buying pressure, they test, some profit taking, and then the selling comes back in and moves the market lower, and we then see a rush to buy back. And no doubts a lot of this was to do with, or the first part, the shorts actually getting out, and this drove the market higher, and that's why you'll see prices then being marked up here and then trading sideways for the rest of the session. So mission accomplished. A quick run to the downside and then reverse and move prices back up. In the daily chart, you'll see why we managed to get the market back above the 76% that we've had drawn in, and we're just slightly below this, or at this level, on the overnight. Also, just draw this in. You can see this is the downside target should prices continue to move lower there. If they do reverse from where we are this morning and move lower. News today, we've got FOMC at 6 PM, 6:30. Super Mario's out at 6:30, speaking about, no doubts, what he was talking about last week, the tapering of QE, and then Williams. So it's a day of central bankers today, but the only one to really watch out for is Draghi at 6:30 PM there. Meanwhile, in the Dow, market started off quite quiet actually. There was a lot of activity to begin with, which you can see here, and then eventually the market broke the 25,000 level. This red level line is below the 3 averages as we broke this, and then sailed down 100 points before bouncing back 50, before coming back 76% of this move, and then eventually we just had a blast out from the in the last hour, which was most unusual. So from going quiet, it just came out of the blue and they drove prices higher, and you'll see this in the daily chart. Prices came down to the 20-day moving average, where you see the market consolidating in the 5-minute chart and then blasting to the upside. However, if we go back to the 5-minute chart, you will see that the weakness in the background following the interest rate rise of last week continues. We've had the market move sharply lower on the overnight. We're actually down 150 points so far. Market currently finding support down here at the 24,950 level. They're desperate to get the market back above the 25,000 there. And Bitcoin very quiet this weekend, very narrow range, still short. You can see there you got that downtrend there, and it's a case of whether the market's going to come down to the 5855. Let me just draw in the 76% retracement area, and this is the downside target you're looking for first before we have any sort of attack on the 5855 level there. So still consolidating, and I would expect this to do this for the remainder of the summer as well. I'm not seeing much activity on the upside. There's no reason to move higher at this time. Still a very good chance of testing these lows. February low this is, before even any sort of up move. Okay, that'll do it for this one. Expect things to remain fairly quiet as we go forward into the sort of summer holiday season, and as most markets consolidate, in particular Bitcoin. So if there's anything to report, I will let you know. Other than that, as ever, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.